And where do you want to take it? Where do you see the industry going after all this? I mean, where are we going to go? I mean, yeah, everybody says that most people you talk to, it's, oh man, we're going to go through 4 years. It set us back so long, and crypto's really going to slow down, and we've really got to rebuild trust. But in my experience, it hasn't. We come back pretty quickly, right? I mean, within a year or 2 years, we come back. And if I look at after Terra, you went to Blockchain Week Korea, the home country of Terra Luna, and it was booming. It was packed. People were there looking to build, doing partnerships, and all of that, right? And so, how long will this take internally amongst the industry? I don't think too long, but for external participants to engage, what's your view there?
Well, I'll be honest. I think the last two kind of bear markets, I lost on a personal level. I had kind of lost potential confidence in the crypto space. I think that when the ICO bust kind of happened, I think myself and so many, I
Yeah,
wasn't very involved in the industry. But I think there's so much tangible value here, and especially, I guess, being in this position and building. I mean, to me, I think this is the greatest opportunity of our lifetimes of what's going to be done over the next couple of years of those building products, companies, and those investing into the space. I think they'll ultimately be quite rewarded handsomely. Will it take time? Yeah, absolutely. How long? I mean, yes, those things are never certain. Like we don't know. It's usually going to, I think, take less time than we
then
probably
people
forecast.
anticipate. Yeah,
You know, before FTX, we felt that we were in a very strong position. There was a lot of institutional interest. Obviously, the conversations that we're having, I'm sure you're the same, right? We're very, and of course, this has set it back. But I think
yeah,
through the holidays, early next year, I think things will already start to heat back up. Um, and for us, again, it's just we're seeing, like, however long this is we'll never have a better opportunity in the middle of a bull run. It's really hard to build, right?
yeah,
I think that it's just you are busy 24/7, and
yeah,
things are going to be hectic. Right now things are busy, but we're you get to be in kind of a build phase. So we're building on three fronts right now, and three fronts that we really feel that our client base, the industry overall, has a lot of appetite in. Like,
yeah,
we're one of the leading earn providers in the industry. We've
yeah.
been very transparent on this. We've gotten a lot of feedback back from our clients about or especially our VIP clients. They said, where do you get the yield from, right? And so we've gone through this, and they've said, can we get direct access to this? So that's been happening over I guess this whole year. And so what we've built out, we call the Yield App Digital Wealth, that we'll be launching early next year, which is direct access to our yield products underneath in more of a kind of a regulated fashion. So we have an offshore structure that's being set up, full administrators, and we're just getting that ready to launch. But people want access to yield, right? And we're in a world full of high inflation, and reality is people want and need to be able to earn on their capital. And if you can do it on a more transparent, regulated fashion, that's what we're gearing up to launch. So that'll
Interesting.
be kind of access to our market neutral fund of funds that we kind of have invested in. There'll be kind of Bitcoin mining opportunities, and direct access to our DeFi fund, as a direct subscriber, which I think they said I think we probably have the best DeFi portfolio team in the space, from my opinion. We're launching structured products as well. We see a lot of appetite, and we think that the industry is going to really um, ramp up. And so we're working on how do we kind of educate our clients on that, and kind of ease them in. But there's fantastic yield opportunities on this as well. So that's all in motion. We have a team coming on board right now, and a company of a full acquisition that's coming out very soon, and that's really kind of expedited our roadmap on that side. And the last one is, more than anything, I think you're going to see a move towards, like, how to build a better decentralized finance ecosystem, and so we are a builder on that side. We got a team, and we're kind of building our own kind of DeFi products and kind of chains on that side. So 2023 is going to be, I think, exciting for us and our community, and I think just the industry overall. It may be quiet from a lot of new market entries, market participants entering the space, and we have to understand that these things have scarred. There's over 1 million creditors sitting in FTX, and so it's, if anyone in crypto knows someone affected, right? Like there's no way about it, right?